Hello dear learners, my name is Dr. Rajesh Kumar Srivastav, Assistant Professor in Department of Commerce, the Bhopal School of Social Sciences. Dear students, today I am going to discuss in this module standard costing practical problems. Here is practical question 1. The standard material required to manufacture 1 unit of product A is 5 kg and standard price per kg of material is rupees 3. The cost accountant's records, however, reveal that 16,000 kilograms of material costing 52,000 were used for the producing 3,000 units of product A. Calculate material variance. The information which is given, standard quantity is, which is calculated, 5 multiplied by 3,000 is equal to 15,000 kilograms. Standard price is 3 rupees. Actual quantity 16,000 kilograms. Actual price is 50,000 divided by 16,000. So, amount will be 3 rupees 25 paise. Here is the formula which we have to apply for calculating the material cost variance. Formula is standard quantity multiplied by standard price minus actual quantity into actual price. Put the values in the formula. Material cost variance is equal to 15,000 multiplied by 3 minus 16,000 into 3 rupees 25 paise. The multiplication of 15,000 into 3 is 45,000 and multiplication of 16,000 into 3.25 is 52,000 rupees. So, difference between 45,000 minus 50,000 is 7,000 rupees, which is adverse, means negative value is there. 45,000 is less than 52,000. So, this is the 7,000 rupees which is negative value, which is known as a adverse. If we calculate material price variance, the formula is actual quantity multiplied standard price minus actual price, the difference between standard price and actual price. We will put the value in the formula. Material price variance, the actual quantity is 16,000, standard price is 3 rupees, actual price is 3.25 rupees. If we calculate this 3 minus 3.25, so negative value 0.25 will be there. If we multiplied by 0.25 into 16,000, the result will be 4,000 rupees. It means it is also the negative value. So, it is adverse value. Now, we will calculate here material usage variance. The formula is for this standard price multiplied by standard quantity minus actual quantity. Now, we will put the value in the formula. Standard price is 3 rupees, standard quantity is rupees 15,000, actual quantity is 16,000. So, difference between 15,000 minus 16,000, that is 1,000, which is negative value multiplied by 3. So, answer will be 3,000, it is also the adverse. Now, we will go for the verification. Material cost variance is equal to material price variance plus material usage variance. Material price variance which we have calculated, which the value is minus 4,000 rupees. Material usage variance, the price is 3,000. The difference between these minus 4,000 minus 3,000 will add, the total will be 7,000. It is also the adverse. So, on the basis of that we can say it is the adverse value. Here we have next question. Practical question number 2. When two or more type of raw material are used for the manufacturing. From the following information, calculate number 1 material cost variance, number 2 we have to calculate material price variance, number 3 we have to calculate material usage variance. Further details as follows: standard and actual. If we talk about the product A, that is 70 kilograms at the rate of rupees 4, standard, and whereas actual is concerned, that is 70 kg at the rate of 4. Now in product B, that is 30 kilograms, it is standard and at the rate of 5 rupees, whereas actual is concerned, rupees 70 kilograms is the quantity at the rate of rupees 4. Now we will calculate this. Let's solve this question. Material standard mix. For this we will write down here the standard quantity in kgs, standard price in rupees, standard cost is in rupees. Now the actual quantity, actual price, actual cost. For product A, for which we are using this material, standard quantity is 70 kg, standard price is 4 rupees, standard cost is 280 rupees, 70 multiplied by 4 rupees, so standard cost 280. Now the actual quantity is 50 rupees, 50 kg, actual price is 5 rupees, 50 multiplied by 5, 250 rupees actual cost is. Whereas material B is concerned, actual quantity is 30 kilograms, standard price is rupees 5, multiplied 30 multiplied by 5, the amount will be 150. Now the actual quantity is 50 kilograms, actual price is rupees 4, 4 multiplied by 50, the amount will be 200 rupees. Now the sum of the total standard quantity is 100 A and B. Total standard cost is 430 rupees, 280 plus 150. Actual quantity 50 for A, 50 for B, that is 100 rupees, 100 kilograms. Actual cost is 250 plus 200, the sum of these is 450. Now with the help of this formula, we will apply this formula to calculate material cost variance. Material cost variance, the formula is standard cost minus actual cost. The value is given as per the table which we have make. 430 is the standard cost, actual cost was 450, difference between 430 minus 450, 20 rupees, which is adverse value. So we write down here that 20 is the negative value, which shows the adverse. Now material price variance we will calculate. The formula is for this: actual quantity multiplied by the difference between standard price minus actual price. So we will put the values in the formula. Actual quantity is 50 kilograms, standard price given 4 rupees, actual price was 5 rupees, difference between this 4 minus 5 means minus 1 multiplied by 50. So 50 1 ja 50 means negative value of 50, this is the value is in adverse. Whereas material B is concerned, actual quantity given 50, standard price was given for B was 5 rupees and actual price was 4 rupees. So difference between 5 minus 4, that is positive 1, 1 multiplied by 50, so result will be 50 rupees, which is favorable for us. The material uses variance. The formula for material uses variance is standard price multiplied by difference between standard quantity minus actual quantity. Now we will put the value in this formula for calculating material uses variance. For A, standard price given 4, difference between 70 minus 50, the difference is 20 rupees, 20 multiplied by 4, that is 80 rupees, which is favorable because the value is 80, which is a positive value. Whereas B is concerned, standard price given 5 rupees, standard quantity is 30 kg, actual quantity is 50 kg, difference between these 30 minus 50 minus 20 will be the value, multiplied by 5, multiplication of this is 100, means negative value isn't, so it is the adverse value. With the help of these formula, uses of this formula, we can calculate material cost variance, material price variance, as well as material usage variance. Here we have question number 3, which is related to labor cost variance. The following information are particulars relating to the production of 1 unit of a product. Actual and standard. Actual hours per unit is given 15 and standard is 10, whereas wages rate per unit is given, actual is 50 rupees and standard is 20 rupees. Find out the labor cost variance and question variance. Here we have the solution for this, how we will solve. Information according to question which is given us, standard hours is given 10 hours, actual hours is 15, standard rate is given 20, actual rate is given 15. So, here is the formula for the calculation of labor cost variance. Labor cost variance equal to standard hours multiplied by standard rate minus actual hours multiplied by actual rate. Formula, we will put the values in this formula. Labor cost variance equal to standard hours is 10 multiplied by standard rate, which is 20. 10 multiplied by 20, the solution will be 200 rupees. Then actual hours and actual rate is given 15 multiplied by 15, the amount will be 225. The difference between 200 and 225, that is negative value, the answer is 25, which is adverse condition. Now, we will calculate labor rate variance. The formula for labor rate variance is labor rate variance equal to actual hour multiplied by the difference between standard rate minus actual rate, and the standard rate is given rupees 10 and actual rate is given rupees 15. So, difference between standard rate and actual rate is minus 5 multiplied by 15. 15 multiplied by 5, the answer is 75, which is favorable for us, and it is 75, which is favorable. Now, we have to calculate labor efficiency variance. The formula is for that difference between standard hour and actual hour multiplied by standard rate. Whereas standard hours is given, that is 100 and actual hours is 15, the difference between the both is 5 minus multiplied by 20. 20 multiplied by 5, the product will be 100, that is negative value, it is adverse. Now, we will verify the labor cost variance. Labor rate variance plus real effective variance, which is the value is given 75 rupees, which was positive, plus 100 rupees, which was adverse, means 75 minus 100. the difference will be minus 25, which is negative value. So, labor cost variance efficiency is adverse. This was all about the material cost variance and labor cost variance. Stay with us for the further videos